stay in the middle of the trail, you won't get any if there is any there.
See, I think that's poison sumac. That stuff with all the leaves up it.
Yeah, see, I don't know.
Where are we going?
Did I follow the path?
Well, it goes 2 ways.
No, just this way.
You want me in front so I can catch you?
Yeah, so I could fall on you?
Yeah.
Growth?
Yeah, some lights. It is. It's hard.
So, oh, it's hard. That's nothing then.
Well, even that is right out.
Oh, Jesus. What happened to this goddamn path? Follow the path. Used to go right down there.
Oh.
Well, there's some more fungi.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, some little white fungi.
They're soft.
That's all, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I wouldn't eat it.
It's got. See, I was always told if it had that stuff, you weren't supposed to eat it.
Oh, it's,
Vents like that.
no, that don't mean too much. Whereas how it's connected to the stem is what matters, I guess.
If it wasn't going to rain Saturday, we should have came down here.
Well, there's been a couple of pieces found down here, but what you got? Anything?
Granite.
Just take it for granted, huh?
Yeah. It's kind of nice. It's got ripples.
Yeah.
No, granite. Oh, you want to see it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, good going.
I got some coral.
Good. Okay. Promises, promises. Oh yeah, rock and a rock.
Yeah, a rock and a rock.
Yeah.
Yeah. A rock and a rock. Should we keep it?
I don't know if you want
rock
it.
and a rock.
You got a little collection or something. I don't know what you're collecting. But,
Well, this is sand or granite or whatever.
oh yeah, all worn out.
Yeah.
That's
That's
just
granite.
a pretty rock.
That's granite. I don't know what this might be a form of granite too. I don't know. There's something on that one. On that.
Like Carl? Okay, I'll take the camera off too. Don't worry too much about it. Did you get up? It is.
You
Pretty
sure?
Pretty sure. You want to hold the camera?
Sure.
I think it is. I'm not 100% sure. It sure does look like it. Sure do look like it.
Clean it.
Yes, I think it reads this way. I think it is. But it could not be. So I think I see it right there. Yeah, I see the grain right there.
Your camera.
I think it is, but it's kind of... I see right there, you see it, it's kind of running sideways, so it's kind of a funny break. But yeah. You found one.
Maybe. Have to get it home and see.
Impossible, you did. Good going. Haven't lost your touch. Got you back the same day.
Yeah. It was kind of chilly.